Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a table of content in Hostinger website builder. As you see, if I click on our adventures, I will jump automatically to the adventures tab. Same thing for the gallery tab, the latest blog post, newsletter, and also the footer. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites, and next to the website that you want to add the table of content on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add a table of content, unfortunately Hostinger does not provide a straightforward solution. For example, clicking on elements and then add the table of content element, but there is a workaround that takes time because it's manual. So let's see how to add this. Now click on add element, then click on this text element, place it for example here. Let's call it table of content. Let's resize this text, place it for example here, then add. Now let's see the sections available on this page. This is the first section. Now let's add this section here, discover. The second section is gallery. The next one is this one called this one is a blog posts section. Let's create a blank section here, resize it, then add this text element. For example, let's call it latest blog posts. Resize it like that. This is the section. This is the newsletter. Let's call it newsletter. And this is the footer. Now let's give each of these sections what is called an anchor. So let's select we will not start with this first section because it is on the table of content. The first section below our table of content is this discover adventures. Select this section like that, click on edit section, go to the anchor tab and give it for example a name, for example adventures. Then the next, close this window. The next one is gallery. Let's copy this one here. Then the latest blog post here. Let's select this top or this latest blog post title section. Click on edit section, anchor, for example blog posts. Now the newsletter and the footer. Now let's go back to our table of content, then click on add element, drag and drop this text element like that, select all text, switch to paragraph 1. Now just select all, and instead of hitting enter, click first on shift then enter, and now your lines are closed. Gallery latest posts, then delete this one and this one. After blog post we have the newsletter and then the footer. Now let's create this adventures link. Just select the text, go to link. Here, instead of linking to a page, select link to section, then look for the adventures anchor. As you see, it is on the home page. Click on it like that and hit save. Then same thing for gallery. Do not forget to switch to section. Then gallery, hit save. Latest blog post, switch to section, latest or blog post, hit save. Newsletter, click on link, make sure to switch to section and look for newsletter. Footer, link, section, search for your anchor. Now click on save, update your website, and let's view our table of content. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And let's view our table of content. This is the table of content, the title, and if I click on our gallery, I will automatically jump to the correct section. Same thing for the other links, gallery, latest blog, newsletter, and footer. And this is how to create a table of content in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.